I can! Oh wait, it's not over. Oh, okay. Sure, I'll join you, boys. I can't see what I'm reacting to. Hey, what's up? It's Aaron saying welcome to my reaction of EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. Of course, I was gonna react to this. Thank you to everyone who's requesting this. Here's some names that I found in the comments. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the likes, the subscriptions, like everybody subscribing, your comments. Just the support means a lot, so I want to say thank you. Keep it up. And here we go. This is wait, I think the last one was 4 songs live. Was it Drop That, Run, Lucky, and yeah, it might have been 4 songs as well. Drop That. I think there was one more. I forget the name. But anyway, here we go. Oh. Ooh, okay. Sensual. Well, so I'm gonna assume that this is White Noise, obviously, and it's kind of a sensual performance, if you ask me. But hey, that's good. It's always good. So let's go.
I hear you, I feel you. 서로가 없어도 날들을 속에서 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면
You know, can I want to preface something that, okay, see how they're all wearing black, like all black clothes, like skin tight stuff, and they're performing. Let me just say, as someone who's also wore all black and performed stuff with all the light shining on you, obviously in a big venue like that, you probably have it's air conditioned and everything, and it might be because there's more air circulating, it might be a little bit better, but it gets so hot performing like that. All right. Trying to fix my hair. Oh, here comes the rain! What is it? Thunder. Oh, makes sense. Well, oh no, this is the same song, I think. Oh, I see you. Oh, here we go. Ooh, okay.
Somebody loves you.
Okay, so now the thunder comes. Literally. That was White Noise. Yeah, that was a good song. Kind of slower, lower energy levels, but that's obviously the vibe they're going for. Is like kind of more vibing. But anyway, I'm excited to hear the rest of them now. It's actually Thunder. I don't know why. I feel like this is gonna be really good. I feel like I'm gonna like this one a lot. I feel like it's gonna be shocking, you know?
잠깐 눈이 멀었나 봐.
Oh. Okay, so this must be like their romance the ladies section of their performance, which, hey, I think it's a pretty good idea if you ask me. What's up, ladies? I love it. This song goes really well with their vocals because of that beat is kind of laying low and letting their vocals shine through. Because when you have these like fast upbeat songs, it's kind of, there's always the beat's trying to be the center of attention, but then your vocals are as well. I love how this beat is kind of just laying low. It's kind of simplistic in the background, super catchy, but then their vocals are just shining through in this. Like I said, I had a feeling I was gonna like this one. Oh, that's so awesome. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. 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 Oh. Playboy. That's my nickname. Yeah. There's always something amazing about a slower beat, calm beat, but like, and then rapping over it as well. I don't know. It's always nice to hear the vocals be the center of attention as well. With EXO is usually always the case, but especially with this. Here we go. Okay, I thought my camera was dying. We're good. You're not. Wait, you're not getting away without full ears, attention, words. My baby. Okay. I don't think I can go that high, but I'll try. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try. Sorry. I can. I'm super thankful. I have a really high range. It may obviously not sound as good. It still sounded pretty good actually though. Here we go. Artificial love. Okay. That beat though. Let me just say that my love for EXO is definitely not artificial. It is real as butter. All right.
믿어 현실적이지 않던 너지만 이유 없이 먼저 갔어 너를 갈망한 내 목마름 표면적인 너와 나의 관계 짜여있는 사랑은 진노의 한계 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 시대의 경계 She don't love me 내겐 Artificial love 생겨했던 너의 Artificial love 뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 발표 Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소, 거짓 눈물, 거짓 사랑.
That can work.
그게 바로 너의
You can't do that. Come on. What are you trying to do to your fangirls, huh? Oh, that was awesome. Wait. Here we go, ready? Ooh, that stutter. I'm getting too tight. I'm burning up here. Suddenly it got really hot. Alright, I'm like, it's so hot in my room. It's so hot. Plus, it doesn't help the fact that we're watching this video. Am I right? But like, it's so hot. I might need to take this off actually. All right.
Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소, artificial, 거짓 눈물, artificial, 거짓 사랑, artificial.
All right. Guys, can't do that. It's a, oh, that what? I thought that was a synthesizer.
Turn it up.
Woo, that's high up there. Oh, I can't go that high. that was above my range. Oh wait, it's not over. Oh, okay. Sure, I'll join you, boys. I can't see what I'm reacting to. Oh, they could see. Okay. I was gonna say, what if they fell off the stage? Oh, yes. That was awesome. I loved it. Thank you to everybody who recommended me react to that. I think my favorite was, that's tough. Thunder or Playboy? I don't know. It's close. It's definitely either Thunder or Playboy, but yeah, that was awesome. I loved how they break up, because you guys told me that they break up their concerts in like sections. So like the last 4, when I reacted to Run, Lucky, Drop That, and whatever the last one is, Dance, or I don't know, but yeah, that was like their fun time club type section. There's a name for it, I forget, but yeah, I love that. That's cool, because then you kind of know what you're getting into whenever it starts. You're like, oh, this is, you know, they're gonna be these 4 songs or this section of the concert. It's just cool, and it gives it more dynamic too to the performance, rather than just like random stuff scattered everywhere, because they utilize like the rain, the different parts of the stage, and it's like I said before, it's a real performance and like a art. But anyway, so yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm burning up and it's hot in here, so if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to join this community, this loving, beautiful community. I really appreciate the support. And I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos now that I'm feeling better, so stay tuned. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Wow, that was fast. Bye.